Hi, my name is Suraya. I'm from Bangalore. I had three cesarean. After that, my stomach was so big for so many years. I had too much problem. Some doctors said I have hernia. I consulted many doctors, but I was not satisfied. Then I went to in Google search for abdominoplasty, which is the best doctor. So that after that I went through Dr. Shetty's clinic. So when I consulted first time Dr. Sahib Shetty's clinic, when I went there first time, I was so satisfied. Then I went through the surgery there, and the surgery went very well. The doctor Sahib Gaura Shetty and the staff took very good care of me. The surgery went very well and I couldn't feel the pain, absolutely not. The pain was really not. During the cesarean, I suffered a lot because of pain. But this abdominoplasty, the pain was really very less, 80%. So thanks for Dr. Shetty and for his staff for taking a very good care of me. Thank you so much.